Mr. Rat is walking on the ground, picking up potential food and grumbling to himself.
Hey there, why are you climbing trees?
He held his neck high and stretched out to look at the tree hopping Sniffles. Sniffles jumped from one tree branch to the other in ease. He loved showing off to other animals that lacked certain abilities in areas he excelled the most.
I'm collecting nuts for breakfast.
Nuts? Rats don't eat nuts. Our food is here on the ground. Careful, don't get hunted by a cat.
Sniffles couldn't believe that he got called a rat. He isn't a rat. How insulting.
I'm not a rat. I'm a squirrel.
Oh, he's a squirrel.